From News Channel 5 Weather, I'm meteorologist Lelan Statom. Some rain and thunderstorms moving through the area. Before the rain hit downtown, we were around 86 degrees. Rain came in that took us down to 71. Now the morning line moves through. It did produce a couple of severe thunderstorm warnings in our eastern counties, but even before it became severe, strong enough to take 3,200 folks in the NES customer base and knock them out of power, another 300 or so in northern Cheatham County. So scattered showers and thunderstorms this afternoon, and then a few tonight, then tomorrow, scattered showers and storms. As we've talked about for the last couple of days, we're not looking at anything widespread severe, but like the last couple of days, like this morning, one or two of those storms could be strong to severe, with wind and hail being the primary concerns. And as we work our way into Friday, the off and on rain chances will continue. That should, though, keep temperatures down a bit. 95 the high yesterday, only in the 80s, mid upper 80s for you today. We'll fall back to right around 73 for tonight. Here now the 7-day forecast. Mid 80s tomorrow, 86 on Friday, mid to upper 80s on Saturday and on Sunday. I'm meteorologist Lelan Statom. Another way that you can stay on top of things is follow us on Storm Shield Radar there, interactive 24/7.